Section 2. The Garna Civilization. In the 400 million year history of humankind, countless civilizations have emerged, flourished, and vanished like frothy bubbles in a turbulent river. For the purposes of people today, I don't need to explore this history in too much detail, but I will share with you the parts that are most valuable and necessary for our understanding of present and future societies. There is enormous wisdom to be found in examining these great civilizations of the past. For this reason, I will open the pages of the Akashic Record, the complete archive of the world's history kept in the spirit world, and offer you a brief account of the major civilizations of the last million years, starting with Garna. The continent of Garna was formed 962,000 years ago after a massive underwater volcanic eruption caused the seabed to rise and form a landmass between present-day Africa and South America. 4 civilizations rose and fell on the continent of Garna, but here I will focus only on the final one, which flourished for approximately 25,000 years, beginning around 760,000 years ago, until the civilization was destroyed by the tectonic shift described earlier. The people of Garna were very tall. On average, men measured 2.1 meters in height, 6 feet 11 inches, and women 1.8 meters, 5 feet 11 inches. Interestingly, the men of Garna had a third eye, located in the center of their foreheads, approximately 2 centimeters, almost an inch above the eyebrows. This eye was usually closed, but it opened when its psychic powers were required. Women did not possess a third eye, and as a result were subjugated by men. According to the Guardian folktale, which survived until the last years of Garna, God created men and women as equals. As proof of that, God gave men a third eye to allow them to protect themselves and their kin, while he gave women a womb so their kin might prosper. A Garnian woman's womb possesses psychic powers that allowed her not only to bear children, but also to communicate with her future children in the spirit world. Women of Garna chose to become pregnant only after communicating with their future progeny, and after both sides agreed to the pregnancy. So unlike in our times, abortion was never an issue. In Garna, 8 tribes fought constantly for supremacy, so people needed to protect themselves from outside enemies all the time. The men's third eye acted as a weapon, and its color varied depending on the tribe. It could be yellow, green, purple, black, gray, or brown. The degree to which each tribe's supernatural abilities were developed also varied, although the principal forms of their supernatural powers had physical effects. Some tribes focused on developing precognition. They could foretell enemy attacks. Unfortunately, the importance of refining the mind was not part of the teachings of this people. Garnians were mainly concerned with the type of psychic powers they wanted to attain through their training. As a result, when the people of Garna perished and returned to the spirit world, many of them went to minor heaven, which is inhabited by Senin, hermit wizards, Tengu, long-nosed wizards, and sorcerers of all kinds. Once Garna vanished from the earth, no other civilization would possess a third eye. However, the concept of the chakra, spiritual power center, on the forehead, which is part of the yogic and tantric traditions, can be traced back to the third eye of Garna's people.